Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. If you're a PC gamer looking to switch to Linux, you've probably heard of two big players, Fedora and Bazzite. Fedora is the classic, reliable choice backed by Red Hat, while Bazzite is a new, specialized distro built from the ground up just for gaming. So, which one is the right choice for you? We're going to put them head to head and decide which Linux distro wins for gaming. First up, we have Fedora. It is a top-tier Linux distribution known for being stable, secure, and always on the cutting edge. It is used by developers and professionals all over the world, and it serves as the base for a lot of enterprise Linux projects. Pros for gaming. Bleeding-edge software. Fedora gets new software versions fast, including the latest kernels and message drivers, which are crucial for gaming performance. Rock-solid stability. Because it is so well-maintained, you will rarely run into system-breaking bugs, which is a big deal when you want to just sit down and play. Community support. It has a massive, well-documented community, so if you run into a problem, someone has probably already solved it. Cons for gaming. It is a general-purpose OS. Fedora isn't built for gaming. You have to install a lot of things yourself, like Steam, Proton, and other gaming-specific tools. This can be a bit of a hassle for new users. Proprietary drivers. Installing NVIDIA drivers can be a bit of a process, and you'll have to add third-party repositories to get everything working perfectly. Next, we have Bazzite. This is a gaming-focused Linux distribution built on the foundation of Fedora's stable Silverblue base. It is designed to be an immutable operating system, meaning the core OS is read-only, making it incredibly difficult to break. Pros for gaming. It is pre-built for you. This is the main appeal. Bazzite comes with almost everything a gamer needs pre-installed, including Steam, Proton, game launchers, and all the right drivers and codecs. It is a true install and play experience. Immutable OS. The immutable nature of Bazzite means you can install all the apps and games you want without messing up the base OS. This is a game changer for stability. Steam Deck feel. Bazzite borrows a lot of its user experience from the Steam Deck, so if you're a fan of the Steam OS experience, you'll feel right at home. Cons for gaming. Less flexible. Because it is an immutable OS, it can be a little less flexible for users who like to deeply customize their system. Smaller community. It is a newer distribution, so the community is much smaller than Fedora's. If you have a unique problem, you might have to wait for help. So which one wins? It really comes down to what kind of user you are. Choose Fedora if you are an experienced Linux user who likes to tinker and wants a rock-solid, general-purpose operating system that you can build yourself. Choose Bazzite if you are a gamer who just wants to play and doesn't want to spend time configuring things. It is the ultimate install and play Linux experience. For the vast majority of people, Bazzite is the clear winner for gaming. It takes all the hard work out of the equation and lets you get straight to the action, which is exactly what a gaming distro should do.